So what's up guys, and welcome to today's video. So first and foremost, I just want to thank each and every one of you guys for subscribing to the channel, because I finally reached 1,000 subscribers, which was my first milestone for the channel. So that's huge for me. I'm extremely thankful. I'm humbled by that. So again, thank you guys for subscribing to the channel. We're not just getting started here. We've been going for about 3 years now, but I'm going to continue going. I've still got stuff for the truck to do. I still got lots of stuff for the RZR to do, so there's still plenty of content for both of those vehicles. Now those of you that are here for truck videos, that will be in the next video, and if not the next video, I promise the video after. It's just because, as you can see outside right now, it's not the greatest. There's a lot of that white caca out there still. So as for those of you that are here for that, like I said, just hold on for that. But in the meantime, we're going to have some fun with the RZR. So those of you that have been following the RZR build, well, I call it a build, but it is a build in its own sense, because I mean we put a lift on it, we put the wheel spacers, we've got the light bar up there from BPS Lighting. I say light bar, it's multiple light bars. It's 4 5-inch pods, 4-inch pods, but you guys get the point. What I had addressed in that video for that was that these don't match those now, and I don't like it. So I'm just going to show you guys a quick example of the look of the halogen opposed to the light bars. Also, those of you who may not have watched the video on me installing this up here, I did a full and thorough video on exactly how I put this up here and how I wired everything back here. Now, it's no professional wiring. Actually, I still might put some PVC corrugated, you know what I mean? You know what I'm talking about, around the wiring. But however, I just have it all wired together here, and it does go through the frame and into the front onto the terminals in the front of the bike here. But yeah, you guys get the point. If you guys haven't seen that video, go ahead and watch that. It's in my channel. Just look through my videos. It's one of the more recent ones. So as you can see, it's very bright, but you can see the color difference drastically. Those are really ugly yellow, really crappy looking, and those are nice and white looking. So what I did to, I guess, fix this is I contacted my buddies at BPS Lighting, and I said, hey, these don't look like that, and I don't like it. Can you guys help me out? And they pointed me in the direction of this. Their new, well, it's a new series on their Amazon page. It's the Perfect Fit series. It's a higher quality bulb. I usually put cheaper bulbs when it comes to LEDs in headlights. I usually go for about the $40–50 brand. But these over here, I'm gonna shut these lights off before this kills my battery. I don't know how long that will last, but anyways. Yeah, so I usually go for the $40–50 range when it comes to bulbs. However, these bulbs will run you about $90 to $100 depending on where you live when it comes to shipping, taxes, and all that junk. But yeah, so I was curious to try these out on the RZR and to see if they would even work on the RZR, because I don't know if you can change these bulbs out. I've done zero research on changing these bulbs out, but as far as I know, very easy. As you can see right there, dirty from all the mud that I guess I didn't clean. But yeah, it's right there, just simple left twist, and it comes right out. So I'm going to put this in, and I'm going to see the difference. I got the bulb in. Yeah, it's just a matter of turning that little thing with the set screw. There's little holes, line it up the way you want it, put it in, test it, make sure it works. So this is what we've ended up with. Now the bulb is on a little bit of an angle. However, I did test the light out before this, and it looks fine against the wall. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what it looks like so that you guys do see the difference. Look at that. We even got some more brightness, which I was expecting with LED bulbs. LED bulbs work phenomenally in halogen housings, and you can see there's a lot wider of a scope. I'm going to call it a scope of the projection there. As you can see, it's really narrow here. It's actually a little longer this way too than it is on that side. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys from the front here what it looks like, just to show you the difference. That is a huge difference. The white actually looks a lot more appealing than that ugly yellowness over there. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Show you guys, compare it now to the light bar. And surprise, everything matches. Everything is the same color. We've got white and we've got white. Yes. Also, if you guys want to pick yourself up some of these bulbs, which you know they work because I've tried them in the RZR, I'll go ahead and put a link down in the description as to where you can pick these bulbs up. A lot of you are probably thinking, well, why doesn't he post videos of him actually riding the stupid thing instead of just putting lifts and headlights and light bars and all that stuff? But I have to reference the caca again outside. I'm all for riding in the snow, but I hate the cold, and it's just too cold out there to really ride and have any fun. I'm not a winter person whatsoever, so that's the case. But I do want to thank you guys for stopping by today's video. Just a quick little headlight upgrade on the RZR. So I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Please do subscribe to the channel. It does help me out a lot. Once again, thank you to 1,000 subscribers. I'm extremely impressed by the interest in this channel from you guys. So again, I will see you guys in the next one, hopefully for a truck video, but possibly a RZR one. But like I said, if not, after that one. But anyways, enjoy the rest of your day.